Hi, this is Shishir. Today I'm going to start BBA fifth class. So today I will cover how we can how we can hide and unhide the sheet. So before going to start, I want to let you know how we can start the coding. First, you have to write sub. Sub means subroutine. Before writing any of the macro, you have to write the sub. After that, you have to write the macro name. Anything you can write the macro name. Yeah, suppose I'm going to hide the sheet and unhide the set, so I'm putting here name, uh, hide, unhide sheet. This is a logical name, so you have to put down the logical name. Whatever you are doing, you are going to do in VBA, so you have to put down logical name here. So let's start how we can hide the seat first. Suppose first you have to see how many seats you have. Suppose I want to hide the seat, interview seat. Okay, so you have to write here seats. Then you have to write down here interview. Then dot visible equal to, you have to put down here false. It will hide your seats. While running this macro, you can see I'm putting this screen little bit small. You can see here, this is a interview sheet. You can put your pointer anywhere, but your action will be on interview sheet. So let's see, after running this code, you can see interview sheet is hidden. Okay, in case you want to unhide the sheet, then you have to write here sheets bracket start, and then you have to write down here sheet name, whatever sheet you want to hide unhide. So you have to write here visible equal to true. Okay, first code is for hide the sheet, and second, this code is for unhide the sheets. So you can see here interview sheet is not available, so I'm going to unhide the sheet. So after running this code, you can see here interview sheet is available now. Okay, so now I would want to let you know same thing. I want to hide the sheet with different way. So you have to write here sheets. You have to write the here sheet name, whatever sheet you want to hide. So I'm putting here visible equal to Excel sheet hidden. You need to write here. Earlier I had written here false, but here I'm writing Excel sheet hidden. After running this code, you can see here, now you have interview sheet. After running this code, you can see your sheet is hidden. Okay, in case you want to unhide the sheet, then you have to write down the code sheets interview sheet you want to unhide. So I'm writing here interview sheet, interview, spelling mistake, view. Then you have to write here dot visible equal to Excel sheet, Excel sheet visible. Okay, then run this code. You can see your sheet is visible now. Done for today. Now I want to let you know, I provide lots of training. You can see here, provide MIS training, advanced MIS training, automation training, advanced analytics training, business intelligence training, and data science training. You can see the course content of data science. Lots of course content is covered in data science. I will start from beginner to uh, high level language. High level language is Python, and beginner application is Excel. So we will start, in case you are not technical background, then you should start with advanced Excel. Then you have to go through this sequence. Then VBA with Excel, SQL, Tableau, or Power BI, R or Python. You have to do this course. this is my contact number. In case you want to learn, then you can contact to me. You will get excellent knowledge of all this training whatever I have show you. Okay, then that's it.